of both fan bases. Grabe yung pagdagsa nila dito sa ating venue at the Phil Oil Center in San Juan.
That really just goes to show you the kind of following that we have in the MPBL, especially this season where teams have really surprised. Mga 3-point shooters nitong Quezon Huskers.
Bonifacio sends it outside. Raimundo knocks down a three. Kabaini. Banal puts it on the deck. Balik kay Kabaini. The nice help defense. The rejection from Roca Curva. And in transition, Lastimosa scores.
Pero ang ganda ng tulong sa depensa. Ito kay Kabaini na naman sila. Late ang rotation.
6 minutes left in the first quarter. Bonifacio high, arcing free. It will bounce out. He gets another crack at it. And this time, he buries the tray from the left wing.
Wow! Pamboy Raimundo. The big si Warren Bonifacio lang, hinahayaan niya.
Oh!
Block!
Punta kay Carlo Lastimosa, laban kay LJ Gonzalez. Bonifacio, no hesitation. Abundo having trouble. Shot no good, but the follow-up is in this 8-point lead at the end of quarter number 1, 14-6.
Ngayon itong mga bataan ni Coach Boyet.
JJ Pino straight to the cup.
Good indication of anong klaseng depensa ang binibigay nitong Binyan.
Tagle erasing that Actub attempt.
Oh, wow.
But the follow-up by Boy Actub is now in for Quezon. Altamsi, the finger roll with a left-hand fit. Lopez able to shake off Altamsi. 5 seconds left on the shot clock of the Huskers. Oh my goodness! The rejection and the stare down from Boy Actub.
Sa loob ng paint. Yan na yun eh. Dalawang player ang sumabay. And this
line, actually Binyan has yet to make one.
Yeah.
Steal though by Joshua Yero. Sidestep, lays it up and in. Up by 10 against Quezon. Sa poste, Abundo fading away over.
Make adjustments in terms of efficiency, speaking of the Huskers.
Nakalusot si Roca Curva. He will be certainly be happy with Binyan holding on to this 11-point lead over Quezon at the half.
Pasok sa National Finals, samantalang ito naman Quezon gustong manumbalik dun sa National Finals. And Mark Ping itong Binyan.
13 puntos ang lamang. Fuentes.
Mahirap, no? Lalakas rin ng katawan nito sa ibaba eh. Oh, wow. Damukin yung, nawala sa laro itong si LJ Gonzalez. Kung gaano.
Gonzalez. Tamsi straight away free. It's good. Approaching the halfway point of the third. Gonzalez step back jumper. Book it from
as organized as ever. They continue this down or up in terms of the score.
Post entry to Pingris. Oh, what a pass! The cut by Gimpayan.
Post and very willing passers.
Fake.
What a move.
Fade away. Nothing but nylon. Pagaran. Crossover dribble. Drives baseline. Lays it up and in. Drew Ramos.
Wow.
Defensive rebound. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Lopez. Forcing it up. No good. Gimpayan. The cleanup job.
Dito sa Binyan.
Binyan on top by 9. 41-32 heading into the fourth.
Kung may libreng 3 sa kabila, ipapasa mo.
Pam Lopez. Mamaya. Ayun si Coach Juanitz.
They are taking the shot when it reaches roughly.
Gonzalez nakabuelo. That's too easy for Bundo. Here come the Quezon Huskers.
Simulang umatake.
Another cut. Oh my goodness.
Ano siya idol ngayon? Saka na ulit. Ping said, abangan nyo ang dalawang yan. Talagang malayo ang mararating. Yan, Coach Mike.
Right on cue, Mika. Mark Ping is going right at Simon Sandagon. Shot. And has not returned since. Oh, Roca Curva with an acrobatic finish.
Oh my God. Left.
Lastimosa puts it on the deck. Runner by Carlo off the glass and in.
For the very first time, has a double-digit rebound performance.
LJ knocks down
The Huskers, but dahil sa magandang pagtimo ni Pamboy, ito naging resulta para sa Binyan. Oh, wow.
LJ with
Go against Pamboy.
LJ loves it up. Will Gozom scores underneath. To Corva, they have to cross the timeline. Intercepted by Gabanal. Swing pass, Gonzalez, the fake, the drive, lays it up and in! LJ pulls up, long three-pointer, too strong, tip in is good. Final score, 57-53. Binyan holds off Quezon in game number 4 as the series shifts to Lucena for a winner-take-all game number 5.